Hi, hello, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? What do you do? Okay, which department are you studying? MBA. Which year are you studying? First year, second year, third year? Last year. Okay, final year. After that, what you wanna be? Wow. Do you belong to business family? Okay, what type of business your parents doing? Wow, that is a good business. Then, are you born and raised in Mumbai, or which state do you belong to? Okay, your hometown is UP. Currently, you are studying in Mumbai in MBA, right? Okay, but your parents living in UP, right? After completing your MBA, you want to join your father business, right? Wow, advance all the best because you want an entrepreneur in future and you want to help your father business and you want to grow your family business, right? That's why you are doing MBA due to your business, right? Wow. Then how long have I don't do anything. I'm unemployed. I have completed my graduation right now. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. Because you know, as a Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone in English. That's why I'm here. Then tell me how long your father doing that business? How long? Hmm. Wow, 20 years. Then you have enough knowledge about business, right? It's okay. It's okay. You are means due to your higher study, you are in Mumbai, but you have enough knowledge about business. Little bit you have how to interact with customer, how to deal with them, how to sell your product, how to make them understand, how to influence them, how to attract customer towards your business, right? How to do your marketing, and if you have a copy paste business, how to improve your business, right? How to get your target customer, that kind of this type of business B2B or B2C. Okay. I got your point because you have a big business, you have a team, you hire a manager, you hire a skillful worker, unskilled worker. Your means your father only supervise them, right? Your father distribute all kind of work and he only handle only money and supervise employee or all kind of stuff outside of work, right? Any documentation, but your employee they are doing. Even for marketing, we have one team. Okay, they are doing marketing. They means distribute their your product, right? Door to door. Is it your online business? Yes, and advertising. Yeah. Do you do online also? No. Okay, only offline business, right? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Do you have a manufacturing? Do you do manufacture in that product or? Yes. Okay. Not fully, but somewhat. Yeah, some people they refuse to take that product, and they tell, if you do it this kind of moderate or modification, then we will take it, right? Then immediately
Yeah,
you
yeah.
means modify that product and you sell them. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Actually, we have a joint family there in UP.
okay, you means you have a joint family, your uncle and your big father, right? And your
Yes,
father,
yes.
then they are doing same business, they are involving same business, or they have also
No,
different business?
yeah, no, actually, my uncle is in restaurant business,
Oh, sorry, what type of business he has?
like restaurants.
Restaurant. Okay, your
Yes.
means food restaurant, right?
Yeah,
Okay, and your big father, how many fathers do you have? Means how many, I mean to say uncle, father, big father, how many?
I have one uncle.
Only one uncle, and he has a
Yes.
restaurant, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, then fully you
So
belong to business family, and okay, you tell me, if you join your father business, family business, then do you wanna do in online that business, or only you fully do in your offline business? What's your think about it?
no,
Hmm.
I don't want to do online.
Okay, you don't want to do online. Why? Because you are doing MBA this day, all business are, because online business is a furniture business is a so tough, right? You cannot miss deliver to online, is it?
Yeah, it is difficult.
Difficult, right, right. Little
Yeah.
bit difficult, but not a, because if you don't start, then it will be possible, but you don't want to take risks, right? Transportation is
Yeah,
so
yeah.
high, because people they purchase 25,000 one furniture, and if you send that furniture in a long distance, then 5,000, if you traveling, spend money by traveling 5,000, then you lose your money, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's why you furniture business is a little bit offline is a better. People also don't
Yeah,
want to go
that's right.
to online, right? They don't want to go.
Yes.
Only means electronics gadgets and a little bit utensil, right? Those kind of people
True.
they buy to online through online, but furniture it is not good for online purchase.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then definitely you want to be an entrepreneur, right?
Yes, yeah. And in future, maybe we are working in Mumbai.
Okay, that's why right now you are observing marketing, right? Marketplace, location.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then do you have any plan? Do you have you miss resourced which place is a good? Do you have any real native Mumbai people? Do you have any friend real native in Mumbai?
No, not like that, but maybe we are trying to open in Andheri.
Okay, Andheri. That is, I think,
Yeah,
good place.
because, yeah, as I told you, my uncle, he owns restaurant.
Okay, your
So,
uncle restaurant in Mumbai, is it?
no, actually, the one is in UP and
Okay.
in recently has opened in Mumbai.
Okay. Then you are on right track, because you have idea about location. Which location is a
Yes,
better for set up business, right? And easily you interact with customer, you can show your means furniture shop also in them, right?
yeah, but like these are two different businesses. We don't interfere.
Okay, you want to set up in different business in Mumbai, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, do you
So
have a
my
detailed
father,
DPL?
my uncle, as I told you, he has a restaurant
Mm-hmm.
in UP
Mm-hmm.
and in Mumbai. he owns like a club.
Okay. Related that
You
business.
know, yeah. So club is of like dance parties and
Bar.
all those.
Bar. That kind of?
What?
Okay. I think you told means that restaurant related to bar restaurant, right?
Yeah, dance and all those things.
I got your point. I got.
Dance floor. Yeah.
Hmm. That's why because you have means observation is a different, right? Because how to expand your business, how to
Yeah.
explore your business in different location and different state, right? Because you have a so many business, you also belong to business
Yes.
family, then you, because your father has a deep knowledge about business, right? How to do
Yeah.
B2B or B2C, right? Then
Yes. Yes.
these days, are you learning from your uncle and father how to run the business, or you have
No,
learned from?
actually,
Mhm.
the thing is that currently I'm just focusing on my degree
Study, right?
because I'm in last year.
And your
Yeah.
father also
So
waiting. Your means when you complete your graduation, after that you means help your father, right? Or
yeah,
what?
then I will go my hometown.
Right, right. After that,
Yeah.
your father take advice from you, and you also can suggest your father because you have a degree on your
Yes.
hand, right? And sometime
Yes.
you, your father, and you, your uncle decide about everything. They have good knowledge, but sometime what happen? Theoretical knowledge they don't have, practical knowledge they have,
Mm.
but you can guide them
Yes.
little bit, because if you take advice from any MBA student about business, then you are inside family, right? Then you can
Yeah.
guide them, you can advise them. If we do this kind of business, then we get more benefit, right? Because
Yes. Yes.
business study is a that kind of, because people they are businessmen, they are entrepreneur, but they are practically entrepreneur, but they don't have theory knowledge inside. That's why they will
Oh,
take time to grow their business,
yeah.
right? Because you have a knowledge about theory
Yes.
also,
Yes.
and you want to implement your theory to practical on your business, right? Then
Yeah.
you
So do
grow
you
in
have interest in
support.
business?
I love that business because whatever we are seeing, job never fulfill your demand. Am I right?
Yeah, that is right.
Business fulfill your demand. If you
Yeah,
want,
we get a lot of profit actually.
of course, definitely, definitely. That's why
Yeah,
businessmen are
you
kingmaker.
can't even imagine.
Yeah,
Sometimes it's huge.
yeah, of course, definitely. That's why businessmen are kingmaker, entrepreneur are kingmaker, right? Because
Yeah, yeah.
they generate passive income. Or who are doing government job or private job, they have a active income, right? They don't have
Yes, yes.
extra money on their hand. They have only money hand to mouth. But
Yeah,
businessmen are passive income, means they are doing in different work, but their income source is generate daily basis, right? But
okay.
government
Yeah, that is
servant,
right.
they wait 1 month to get salary. After getting salary, they next day they will finish, right? Hand to mouth.
Yeah.
They cannot
So
spend.
where are you from?
I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha?
Okay. No, no.
Okay, because
So do you live with your family or your hostel?
yeah, I live with my family.